Jesus.
Give me a sec. I need to call in for backup.
Hello, Egg Plumbing? Yeah, I know where I work for you, but we need serious backup for this one house. You're coming? Thank God. Come on, come on. All right. Put your plungers in. This is nasty. I advise you to hold your breath. All right, now plunge with all your might. I got one out. Sir, we unclogged your toilet, but you gotta pay us $5 quadrillion, cause we've never experienced anything like that before.
You wanna know something? No, wait. You wanna know something funny? Stare at me.
Coming? Oh no.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Fine.
And
Now it's gonna be $9 quintillion.
Quintillion?
What you say?
That's perfect money.
Oh, okay.
Quintillion.
I have an idea. Okay, I'm ready. Are you gonna lower the price?
No! Never! Forever!